Hello children. So welcome to AIMS India's online classes. In today's video, from mathematics subject, simple equations topic we are going to continue. So today's concept children regarding converting a statement into an equation. So we are going to convert the given statement which is in words in the form of equation. We are going to convert. Regarding that procedure, we are going to learn now. Suppose consider your birthday. On your birthday, you want to give to your classmates chocolates. So you want to celebrate your birthday by giving chocolates to your classmates. So there are 40 students in your class other than you. Means other than you, there are 40 students in the class. Means including you will be 41. Without you, 40. Because it's your birthday, you want to distribute chocolates to 40 of your friends, excluding you. And you have 87 chocolates. Total chocolates you are having is 87. So if you give them 2 chocolates each, how many do you still have? How many do you still have? So apart from you, there are 40 students in your classroom and you have 87 chocolates. If you give 2 chocolates to each, how many chocolates do you still have? Or how many chocolates will be left with you? So this is the statement. So this statement we are going to write in the form of an equation. So let's convert this statement into mathematical equation. Suppose here, what is unknown quantity? Number of students in the class apart from you, 40 is known quantity. Number of chocolates, total chocolates we have 87, it is also known quantity. Number of chocolates given to each child, each classmate, 2, that is also known quantity. How many chocolates do you still have? That is unknown quantity. So before converting statement into equation, first we have to trace the unknown quantity. Here, after distributing 2 chocolates to each, how many chocolates are left? That is unknown. So let the number of remaining chocolates be x. Let us assume that remaining chocolates number be x. So then you have given 2 chocolates to each. Therefore, the number of chocolates distributed are, you have given 2 chocolates to each, like that you have given to 40 students apart from you. So 2 into 40, 80 chocolates given by you in total. So overall you have given 80 chocolates. So but how to get number of remaining chocolates? So according to normal mathematical calculations, how we can calculate number of remaining chocolates? We can calculate number of remaining chocolates when we subtract number of distributed chocolates from total chocolates. Number of total chocolates we have 87. From 87 we have distributed how much for each child? 2. Like that 40 children, 2 into 40, 80 we have distributed. So out of 87, 80 we have distributed. That remaining chocolates we have assumed it as x. So we can write the equation as x equal to 87 minus 80. X equal to 87 minus 80 or x equal to 7. So in this way, any statement can be written in the form of equation with the help of known quantities and by assuming the unknown quantities with any variable. In that way, we can frame one equation related to the statement. Next one. So here, example, let's see some example questions. So here, what is the example, children? So write the following statements in the form of equations. So first one, the sum of 3 times x and 11 is 32. Here, we are doing the sum. The sum of what? 3 times of x and 11. So we have to do the sum of 3 times x and 11. These two are separate terms. If we do their sum and the result is equal to 32, this statement to be represented in the form of an equation. So here we have to add 3 times of x and 11. So what is 3 times of x? 3 times of x is 3x, because 3 times of x means 3 into x, which is equal to 3x. Means in the place of 3 times of x, we can keep 3x. So what does it mean? The sum of 3x and 11 is 32. Means sum of 3x 11 means 3x plus 11. The sum is 32. So 3x plus 11 equals to 32. So the given statement can be written as 3x plus 11 equal to 32. 32. Next one. If you subtract 5 from 6 times of a number, you will get 7. If you subtract. So what you are supposed to subtract? If you subtract 5 from what? From 6 times of a number. What is that number? We don't know. We can assume it with one variable, z, x, y, any variable. Suppose if the number is z, let us say the number is z. 6 times of z means z is multiplied by 6, which is equal to 6z. 6 times of number means 6z. If 5 is subtracted from 6 times of a number, that means if 5 is subtracted from 6z, then you will get 7. Then the difference will be equal to 7. So subtracting 5 from 6z means 6z minus 5. Result is 7. So the equation is 6z minus 5 equal to 7. Next. Next one. 1/4 of m is 3 more than 7. Means 1/4 of m. 1/4 of m is how much? 3 more than 7. 3 more than 7. Means this 1/4 m is greater than 7. By what? 3 more than 7. By 3 more than 7. Means if we do the difference of this 1/4 of m and 7, we will get 3. Indirectly they have given that. So here 1/4 of m is 1/4 into m, which is equal to m by 4. It is greater than 7 by 3. It is more than 7 by 3, which means difference of m by 4 and 7 is 3. Means m by 4 minus 7 equals to 3. So that is the equation. Next one. 1/3 of a number plus 5 is 8. 1/3 of a number. 1/3, 1/3 of a number, let it be x, plus 5 equals to 8. Like this we can write. So let the number, if we take n as the number, 1/3 of n is n by 3. 1/3 plus 5 means n by 3 plus 5, it is equal to 8, which means n by 3 plus 5 equals to 8. So in this way, we can convert statements into equations. We can convert statements into equations. Next one. Convert the following equations into statement form. Now, reverse. In example 1, what we have learned? We have converted statements into equations. But in reverse manner, you will come across questions like convert the following equations into statements. So, x minus 5 equals to 9. Means from x, if we take away 9, 5, the result will be 9. Means taking away 5 from x gives 9. Next, 5p equals to 20. What does it mean? 5 into p equals to 20. Means whenever we have into, we have to tell it as 5 times of p. 5 times of p equals to 20. 5 terms of a number p equals to 20. Next, 3n plus 7 equals to 1. Means 3 times of n plus 7 equals to 1. Or add 7. We are adding 7 to what? 3 times of a number to get 1. So add 7 to 3 times of n to get 1. So m by 5 minus 2 equal to 6. Means this m by 5 is 6 more than 2. 6 more than 2. Or when 2 is subtracted from m by 5, we will get 6. M by 5 means 1 by 5th of m. 1 by 5th of m. From 1 by 5th of m, if you subtract 2, the result will be 6. Means you get 6 when you subtract 2 from 1/5 of number m. So, but while writing one equation into statement form, we can write in different ways. We can write in different ways because this x minus 5 equal to 9, taking away 5 from x gives 9. Like this we have written. But we can write also, we can also write in some other ways. Subtract 5 from x, you will get 9. Or the number x is 5 more than 9. The number x is 5 more than 9. Or the number x is greater by 5 than 9. Or the difference of x and 5 is 9. Like that, there is no compulsion that you have to write in one statement form. So you can write in any form, but the meaning should represent the given equation. Only that is the condition. So like this, you can try the other forms of this second equation, third equation, fourth equation. You can try to write in other statement forms. Next one, example 3. Consider the following situation. So, Raju's father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Raju's age. That is one statement. Raju's father is 44 years old. Raju's age is, so Raju's father's age is 44. Set up an equation to find Raju's age. So if you know Raju's father's age and if you know the relation between Raju's father's age and Raju's age, now they are asking to set up an equation to find Raju's age from the given hints. So we don't know Raju's age. Let us take it to be y years. Let Raju's age be y years. Then Raju's father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Raju's age. Means Raju's age is y, 3 times Raju's age is 3y, 5 more than plus 5 is equal to Raju's father's age, which is 44 years. Which is 44 years. So this is the equation to find Raju's age. To find Raju's age. If you solve this equation, you will get Raju's age. Actually, in the question, they asked us to set up an equation. So we find this equation. This is the answer. Or 3y equal to 5 goes this side, 44 minus 5, which is equal to 39, or y equal to 3 will come this side, 39 by 3, 3 1 is 3, 3 3 times 9, means 13 years. Raju's age is 13 years. Like that we can find. Next one, example 4. So a shopkeeper sells mangoes in 2 types of boxes. One small box, one large box. Large box contains as many as 8 small boxes plus 4 loose mangoes. So large box contains as many as 8 small boxes plus 4 loose mangoes. So set up an equation which gives the number of mangoes in each small box. So the number of mangoes in large box is given to be 100. So we have to set up an equation to find the number of mangoes in small box. So as the number of mangoes in small box is unknown, which we have to find, let us assume, let it be m. So the small box contains m mangoes. Then large box contains 4 more than 8 times m, because they have given large box contains as many as 8 small boxes, means 8 times of small boxes, 8 times of small boxes plus 4 loose mangoes, 4 loose mangoes. So according to the given condition, a large box contains 4 more than 8 times of m, which is number of mangoes in small box. So this 8m plus 4, this 8m plus 4, this 8m plus 4 is the number of mangoes in large box, which is given to be 100. So 8m plus 4 equals to 100. This is the required equation to find number of mangoes in small box. Next one. Let's solve some problems here. Complete the last column of the table. Here they have given x plus 3 equals to 0, and they are telling x value is 3. And we have to say whether the equation is satisfied or not. We have to mention the answer as yes or no. So in the place of x, if you keep 3, 3 plus 3 equal to 0, which is wrong. So equation is satisfied? No. X equal to 0, x plus 3 equal to 0, x equal to 0. In the place of x, if you keep 0, 0 plus 3, 0. Wrong. No. If you keep minus 3, they have given x plus 3 equals to 0. In the place of x, if you keep minus 3, plus 3 equals to 0. Minus 3 plus 3 cancel. 0 equal to 0. Satisfied. Yes, it is satisfied. Next. X minus 7 equals to 1. X equal to 7 given. 7 minus 7 equals to 1. Or 0 equals to 1. Not satisfied. So your answer is no. Like this children, you can substitute the values. You can substitute the values and you can find whether they are true or not. If you see this 10th one, so m by 3 equals to 2, m equals to 0, 0 by 3 equals to 2, 0 by any number is always equal to 2, 0 equals to 2, false. This is not satisfied. Like this, you can solve them and you can keep yes or no in the last column, children. Next, children, check whether the given value in the brackets is a solution to the given equation or not. So first equation, a problem, n plus 5 equals to 19 they have given. This is the equation. In the brackets, n equal to 1 given, 1 plus 5 equals to 19, 6 equal to 19, which is false. So it is not the solution. It is not the solution. Let's solve one more. This E problem. 4p minus 3 equals to 13. P value minus 4. P value minus 4. 4 into minus 4 minus 3 equal to 13. 4 into minus 4 minus 16 minus 3 equal to 13. Minus 16 minus 13 minus 19 equal to 13, which is false. So P equals to minus 4 is not the solution of the given equation. Like that, you can solve the other problems. You can note down the other problems and you can practice the problems. One minute, children. Next. Solve the following equations by trial and error method. Already we have discussed, children, trial and error method. By seeing the examples, you can solve this. You can solve these two problems. Next, children, write equations for the following statements. The sum of numbers x and 4 is 9. The sum of numbers x and 4 is 9, which is equal to x plus 4 equals to 9. Or 7 times m plus 7 gets you 77. 7 times m plus 7 gets you 77. 7m plus 7 equal to 77. Or if you take away 6 from 6 times y, from 6 times y, if you take away, from 6 times y, if you take away 6, you will get 60. Result will be 60. Or if you add 3, you have to add 3 to what? 1/3 of z. 1/3 of z. If you add 3, you will get 30. You will get 30. Or 1 by 3 into z equals to z by 3 plus 3 equal to 30. Like this, children. Remaining questions also you can write in the form of statements. Write the following equations in statement forms. Suppose if you take this, the difference of m and 7 is 3. Like that we can write. Or this one, if you subtract 2 from 4 times of p, you will get 18. Like that you can write. Or this one, if you add 2 to 1/2 of p, then you will get 8. Like that, in any way, you can write the equation into statement form, children. So remaining questions you have to try. Or if we take this fifth one, 3 by 5 parts of m, 3 by 5 parts of m is equal to 6. Is equal to 6. Like that we can write. Next one, set up an equation in the following cases. Irfan says that he has 7 marbles more than 5 times the marbles Parmit has. Irfan has 37 marbles. Number of marbles Irfan has, that is known quantity, but number of marbles Parmit has, it's an unknown quantity. Let's take m to the number of Parmit marbles. If Parmit has m marbles, then Irfan has 7 marbles more than 5 times of marbles of Parmit. 5 times of marbles of Parmit means 5 times of m, 5m. But Irfan has 7 more than Parmit, means 7 more than Parmit. 5m plus 7 equals to Irfan's total number of marbles, 37. So this is the equation. Or let's see, third question. Second one you have to try, children. Third, the teacher tells the class that the highest marks obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. So highest marks, they compared with the lowest marks, it is twice the lowest marks plus 7. The highest score is 87. As highest marks compared to lowest marks, let us assume L, lowest marks is L, twice the lowest marks means 2L, twice the lowest marks plus 7, 2L plus 7 equal to highest marks, which is 87. So this is the equation. So like that, we can set up an equation from the given statement, or from the given equation, we can form a statement. Okay, children, that's all for today. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates. You can visit our website, children, www.aimstoday.in, for information regarding previous online classes, quizzes, worksheets, activities, English classes, and coding classes. Thank you, children. Have a good day.